how to make this dead wardrobe wall interesting. In this video, I'm going to tell you that. In this image you see, once you enter through your door, you get to see this edge. This is not a pleasing sight though. How you can deal it? Your first option could be creating a display area. Like this is one option that you can create. In this you are making a display wall over here. So what you have to do, you have to take 8 to 10 inches of your wardrobe space and create an interesting display over here. You can use some highlighting material at the back, either mirror or some charcoal panel or any decorative panel at the back, and highlight this area with the light. So this is one option that you can do. This is another option of the display area. Like you're having a wardrobe जिसमें आपकी thickness होती है 24 inches. आपने कुछ display यहाँ से create कर दिया and कुछ display आपने यहाँ से create कर दिया, creating interesting element over here. So this is another option that you can think of. This is another design that you can think of. इसमें आपने ये cabinet create कर दिया and ऊपर से display rack create कर दिया, and you can also add lighting over here, और यहाँ आपने down lights create कर दिया. तो this can also give a very interesting effect. In this what we are doing? We are creating one platform over here. इसके ऊपर आपने एक लंबा सा artifact लग दिया with the perfect lighting at the top. And so इसके नीचे भी आप lighting create कर सकते हैं. तो ये भी एक interesting element create किया जा सकता है. इसको बनाते कैसे? Just you have a wardrobe. In this case you are taking a depth of 10 inches and you are creating this interesting element over there. So you have your wardrobe like this, and this is one interesting wall which you will see from entering your door. You can also create your dressing wall like this. You have created your cabinet over here. आपने dressing cabinet बना दिया. यहाँ पे एक drawer या एक cabinet ले लिया और एक पूरा का पूरा भी cabinet बना सकते हो with set of shelves, and you make a mirror wall over here. So this can also give a very interesting effect and also fulfill a need of having a dressing table in your room. So these are the ways by which you can add some interesting element in your wardrobe. What you have to keep in mind, if you're creating a wardrobe like this, then you have to dedicate this area like 10 inches or 8 inches, 8 to 10 inches for the display, and the dedicated area will be for wardrobes. So you are compromising some storage space to make this interesting element over here.